Hello, my name is Daniel. I bought this necklace for my wife as a gift. She's had them for a week now and she has worn them probably twice already, and she's pretty amazed with the gift itself. The quality is really good. The purchase experience was also very smooth, no problems at all. Once I had visibility through the tracking process, and it actually arrived a day earlier than what it was saying on the tracking website. So I'm pretty happy with the experience so far. Very good product. This is the name of the company, Pearls of Joy. This is an appraisal document you get with the product itself. And since you buy on a discount, at least I bought on a discount, the appraisal it's much higher than what I paid for, which is pretty good. You get a discount card as well for returning customers, and this is what you get as far as the product goes. So you get a nice box. Once you open it, the pearls are nicely placed here. So this is how they look like, and those are the white gem grade freshwater pearls. That is 7.5 to 8 millimeters, and it's 18 inches length. This has a yellow gold clasp, and this is the necklace. My wife, I can tell that my wife really enjoyed them. This is my first purchase, but I'm pretty amazed, and I really enjoyed the quality and the experience so far. Thank you.